Hey guys, check this out. Just a little sample of my mango harvest. Look at all the mangoes here. And man, I've been taking down 20 mangoes every day. So they just keep coming down. Mangoes are very prolific and they taste great. So just wanted to show you what it looks like. Now good thing about mangoes is you can freeze them and you can make smoothies and juices with them, the rest of the year. So it doesn't go to waste, which is what I do because it's just too much. And I give away to family and friends and neighbors as well. But it's still way more than what you can consume. So just wanted to show you a sample of the harvest. All right, God bless.